Why has DevOps become so popular? Let me be cynical and honest about it. In part because it was the right place at the right time and it's fashionable. IT is an incredibly fashion-oriented industry. And if you don't believe that, ask yourself why you upgrade your iPhone and you move to the next version of Windows all the time. So it was the right place and right time, but it had to be the right thing at the right place and the right time. And what DevOps has done is help us balance the various approaches. It's helped us use the skills we've got. The cultural implications of DevOps have helped us understand where we do and bring in all the different elements, and it gives us support from the people who understand it, who built it. But what it also does that I think's made it very powerful is it does bring in the automation side of things. It's not possible to do it without the right software and tools in place and automation in place. So it panders, if you like, pandas is maybe not the word, but it supports both the techno file input. People who want to see automation and technology and automate things. It also brings in the cultural things of people who understand that it's attitude and behavior and culture that really drive things. And it's married those two together at a time that was absolutely right for that combination to deliver benefits. So, cutting a long story short, it was the right place, the right time, the right ideas, and it's been seen to deliver benefits. And that means it keeps growing and growing in terms of acceptance.